Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Stocks and Finance with RS. Today's video is for education and entertainment and it's not a financial advice. This is my first video on the channel and in this video I'm going to discuss with you what are the objectives of this channel and most important what my YouTube family can expect going forward. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajat Sharma and if you find my name difficult, you can call me with the initials of my name RS. I have been investing for 16 years and in 2015 I started investing into North American markets. I'm a long-term investor and my focus is to create generational wealth. I hope most of you would be having the same objective. This channel is going to focus on four key objectives. First and the foremost, mindset to be a successful investor. You may be in any field. If you don't have a positive mindset, you cannot succeed. And same goes in the field of financial investments. Second area of focus would be how to make more of what we are making. We are going to talk about how you can generate more income through different sources. Third area of focus would be how to keep more of what we are making. Yes, you got me right, tax planning strategies. Last, not the least, how to transfer the wealth in a tax efficient way to our next generation. If you have any of these objectives, this is the channel for you. Let me share something with you. I hope you will agree with me. We are taught to work for money, but no one talks about how money can work for us. And this is my motive behind this channel. We want our money to work for us while we are working for the money. I've also seen many people want to invest, but they don't. Why? Because they're afraid. But let me tell you from my experience, you cannot lose money in the stock market unless until you quit. And it's not me saying. I want you to see the quote from the legendary investor Warren Buffett. The stock market is devised for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So guys, if you are patient and if you have a long-term vision and you make good investment decisions, you're bound to make a lot of money in the stock market. And we are going to do this on this channel. My goal is to encourage young generation to start investing so that they can achieve their financial goals. I would say dream big to achieve more. If you're liking this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members so more people are encouraged toward investing. I want a common investor to become wealthy. And yes, it's doable. It's just about mindset and good financial information which we are going to share on this channel. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to share with you my investment strategies and picks which can help you take your investment portfolio to the next level. But having said this, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your due diligence, do your own research and consult your financial advisor, which I am not. Guys, this pandemic has changed the world and it has also changed the way we invest. We are also going to discuss about the opportunities which I believe can create generational wealth. These opportunities can be in the space of genomics, healthcare, technology, cybersecurity, clean energy, and many more. If your objective is to create generational wealth and you want to leave a legacy for your next generation, you are on the right channel. My aim is to get you good financial information which can help you take your portfolios to the next level and create generational wealth. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the upcoming videos with more investment tips. Till then, stay safe. God bless.